Hello guys, welcome to Anurag Lab 3M YouTube channel, and guys, in this video I will tell you the solution of CNG.Sys file. So guys, if you are getting blue screen error, your error is saying that CNG.Sys file is corrupted or missing. So guys, you are in the right place. I will tell you the correct method to fix this problem very easily. But first, let's understand what CNG.Sys is. CNG stands for Cryptography Next Generation, and the CNG.Sys file is crucial for cryptographic operations in Windows. When this file goes wrong, it can lead to an infamous BSOD, and your BSOD will say CNG.Sys is corrupted. Before we jump into the solution, make sure you have your Windows 10 bootable disk ready. If you do not have that one, you can easily create a bootable USB or DVD. So now let's get started. I am booting the VMware machine and I will show you the problem I am getting with my computer. You can see I am getting CNG.Sys error. This kind of error is caused because this file is corrupted. So what I will do, I will boot my machine with Windows DVD or a bootable Windows USB media. So this time I am booting with the Windows DVD. So restarting my computer from here, and when my computer boots, I will select the DVD option. So I will press the F11 key for a quick boot, and here I will select the CD-ROM, and here is my computer. Here my computer is booting with the DVD now, and guys, you will see that I will go to the recovery mode from the repair option. So when you will get the first screen of the Windows installation, you can press the Shift F10 key from the keyboard and you will get the command prompt. Guys, I will make the font some larger so you can see that easily. So here I will type the command. Command is bcd edit space /enum enum. Guys, press the enter, and this command will tell you that where is the location of the boot MGR and where is the location of the Windows. So here you can see C drive is boot MGR drive and D drive is Windows drive. So in my computer the Windows drive is D. Here I will copy the CNG.Sys file from S drive to D drive. So here cd / enter cd space Windows /system32 /drivers, enter, copy space /y space CNG.Sys space D : Windows /system32 /drivers / and press enter. Here I have copied the CNG.Sys file from the X drive and I have pasted it in the drivers folder of D drive. So here I will press the exit command here and close this. Yes, and here I am restarting my Windows machine, and you will see the problem will fix surely. So here my computer is booting. So guys, my problem is fixed now. And guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And guys, your feedbacks are very important for me. So if you have some time for me, please write down your feedback in the comment section. It helps me to make new videos for you. Thank you for watching the video till end. Your friend Anurag Pandey. Have a nice day.